Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here with a PSA. That's a public silver announcement. I have 6 new maples, well they're all 2017, but Canadian silver maple leafs added to the stack today. It was a surprise to me that this was going to happen, but I got this at a pretty good bargain, $90 for 6 of them, which is 50 cents above spot because silver is only worth $14.50 right now. So I got these for $15 each. So it's a great thing for me in my stack, but it was a very hard lesson for someone else. And what this PSA is about, and I'll make this short, is slow and steady, guys. You can be bit by the silver bug. You can want all the silver in the world, but you have responsibilities. You have things to take care of. Your bills, your home, your children. All of these things come first. You need to have cash also. You can't just have silver. What are you going to do with silver? You know what I mean? We're not in a bartering system right now. Unfortunately, our system is based off of paper currency. That's worth nothing, but it's worth something for this economy. So when things go left, when you hit a rainy day, you need to be able to have cash. You need cash. Silver is a buy and hold kind of hedge against things going wrong. This is your retirement fund, you know? You shouldn't be buying silver one week and cashing it out the next because of an emergency. Slow and steady, guys. Slow and steady stacking. Be very careful. But like I said, you know, my happy addition is someone else's very hard lesson. So to everyone out there who's just starting, to everyone who's been doing this for a long time, just a friendly reminder for all of us to stack responsibly. All right, I'll see you all in the next one. I know what you're thinking. There's no way you eat your cereal dry. Don't worry, I got the milk.